Commandant, President's Bodyguard, Colonel Bomanda Dheeraj Chengappa will shortly give the word of command for the national salute, which will be accompanied by the unfurling of the national flag and the 21-gun salute. All ladies and gentlemen are requested to rise for the national anthem of India, and those in uniform are requested to salute.